Self-driving cars will make our lives safer, more efficient, and better for the planet. Safer, they will decrease the number of accidents on the roads. Nowadays, 94% of accidents happen due to driver mistakes. More efficient, they will decrease the amount of time that we spend on the roads. The transportation system will require fewer cars to serve the same transportation needs. Therefore, there will be less traffic jams on the roads. In fact, 30% of traffic in the centers of big cities is created by people hunting for a parking space. Better for the planet. Now transport generates up to 40% of all air pollution. Most self-driving cars will be electric cars, plus fewer cars on the roads in the transportation system will generate less air pollution. We all want these changes, right? But self-driving cars will be expensive. At the same time, everyone uses their own cars just 4% of the time. The rest of the time, cars are parked, and we have to pay for this. So, we created a platform where everyone can buy a share in an autonomous car and use it for their transportation needs. To make this happen, we are launching this crowdfunding campaign. As a result of this campaign, we will buy a Tesla Model 3, the car with the best autopilot available today on the market. We have great benefits for those who participate. Firstly, you will become a co-owner of a terrific car, a Tesla Model 3. We will provide digital certificate of ownership. Secondly, the amount of money that you make as a donation will be connected with your account on our ride-sharing service, and you can use it for your transportation needs. We are excited to take a step forward in the future of mobility. Join us.